these are, again, like a kind of like really, your interests or your skills are really all over the place. Private equity, I noticed another one of your credits on Facebook, stock market. So you just do it all.
Well, not really. Not really. I mean, these...
Like, is there anything you couldn't do? Any kind of discipline?
Yeah, there's a million things I can do. All these fields are within a very small context, you know. Music is physics.
Got it.
Right. Investments is economics. Once you're dealing with investment, you're dealing with economics, you're dealing with physics.
Right, so it's just a spin on your general knowledge as Atelston.
Yeah, if I'm going to write, compose, and arrange music, I mean, I might as well study what is sound. Sound travels 700 miles an hour. It is the collision of air molecules. So I would like to know what occurs on a molecular level when sound travel. I also got into an area, this is within the context of cross-disciplinary, is psychophysics, the relationship between physical stimulation and mental phenomena. And I sort of sporadically encountered this discipline when I tried to decipher why a musician and a non-musician would have the same emotional attributes when they hear, let's say, a sus4 or sus2. This is no longer a cross-disciplinary. This is
What did you do with
discussing
Jeff?
music
He's not here
independently,
today.
how to build chords,
He might
how to
be